In today's video, I am going to teach you how to prevent your Stripe account from being suspended. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon to open your settings page. This will take you to the area where you can review the key details connected to your Stripe account. On the Account Details tab, carefully check the information shown there. Review your account name, confirm that your phone verification status is complete, and make sure your time zone is correct. If phone verification is still required, complete that step before moving on. This is important because incomplete verification can lead to account restrictions or delays. Next, open the Business Details tab. Review your business information and make sure everything is accurate and up to date. If your business name, address, or other required details have changed, update them and save your changes. This helps ensure that Stripe can verify and connect your account information properly. Then open the Bank Accounts and Currencies tab. Review your payout bank account details carefully. Make sure the correct bank account is listed and that the payout settings match your current business needs. Accurate payout details are essential for keeping your account in good standing and avoiding payment issues. Missing tax details can sometimes trigger account review requests, so it is a good idea to keep this section fully completed. Once you have reviewed all of these tabs, return to your Stripe dashboard. Look for any notifications, alerts, or verification requests that appear on the dashboard. Stripe will usually display outstanding requirements clearly, so take time to read each one and complete anything that is still pending. If you make any changes during this process, click Save before leaving the page. The goal is to make sure your business details, verification status, connected accounts, bank information, and tax details are all complete and accurate. Keeping your Stripe account updated is one of the best ways to reduce the risk of suspension and avoid interruptions to your payments and payouts. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.